Dear friends, today let us discuss about 12 stocks including Bajaj Finance, Anand Rathi Wealth, etc. Those have announced bonus, dividend or stock split. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Sanofi India. Share is trading around rupees 8,506. Company announced a dividend of rupees 117 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 3rd May 2024. To get the dividend of Sanofi India, you have to purchase the shares of Sanofi India before 3rd May 2024. Schaeffler India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 3,201. Company announced a dividend of rupees 26 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 19th April 2024. RS Software India Limited. Share is trading around rupees 281. Company announced a meeting on 19th April 2024. Purpose of the meeting is announcing Q4 and declaring dividend. Bajaj Finance Limited. Share is trading around rupees 7,065 per share. This company announced a meeting on 25th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring Q4 and declaring dividend. Swaraj Engines Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,399 per share. Company announced a meeting on 18th April 2024. Purpose of the meeting is Q4 and dividend. Maharashtra Scooters Limited. Share is trading around rupees 7,491 per share. This company also announced a meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the meeting is Q4 and recommending dividend. Bhagirath Chemicals. Share is trading around rupees 1,740 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Bhagirath Chemicals, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. Anup Engineering. Share is trading around rupees 3,354 per share. The company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Anup Engineering, you will get another 10 shares as bonus. So you will have 20 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is 23rd April 2024. Bharat Bijli Limited. Share is trading around rupees 6,380. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Bharat Bijli, your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 24th April 2024. To get the benefit of stock split of Bharat Bijli, you have to purchase the shares of Bharat Bijli before 24th April 2024. NAB Books. Share is trading around rupees 275 per share. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have one share of NAB Books, you will get 2 more shares as bonus. So you will have 3 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is 19th April 2024. Nidhi Granites Limited. Share is trading around rupees 206. This company also announced the bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Nidhi Granites, you will get another 100 share as bonus. So you will have 200 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited. Current market price is 4,200 per share. Company announces buyback shares at the rate rupees 4,450 per share. Record date is not at all finalized. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.